Hello everybody, I'm glad to see you on my channel, and today I will show you how to make amazing lacy pattern for any project. For this one I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Please join me and let's get started. Let's crochet the pattern. Make the foundation chain. Make a chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. My foundation chain is ready. Before continue, I will stop at this point. Let's look at the ready project. Pattern consists of 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. I make the foundation chain plus 4 stitches, one of them on the one side and another 3 on the opposite side. Pattern has 1 row. It is complex stitches. So as you can see, this is not difficult pattern. I call it a mesh. Pattern consists of 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. After I have done the foundation chain, it is going to be a row of complex stitches. Let's begin it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook twice. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into the 9th stitch, away from the hook, pull up a loop. Then I'm making the puff stitch. Make 2 more strings. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops except last 3 loops. Then pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, and pull through 2 loops. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into 2 loops and make double crochet. So my complex stitch is ready. Let's stop and look. Here what I have. So my pattern consists of such kind of stitches. Then yarn over the hook twice. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. Make pull up a loop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all strings. Then pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain of 3 and double crochet into the top of my puff stitch. Make double crochet. The second one is ready. Here what I have. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. Once you have done the first row, let's complete it. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip 1, 2, and insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. make double treble crochet stitch 1, 2, 3 and pull through 2 loops. My row is ready. Here what I have. I continue working on my pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn, turn the work. It is going to be row 2. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, pull through and pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, chain of 3 and double crochet into the stitch that is in the bottom part. Insert the hook into 2 loops and double crochet is ready. Continue, yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, chain of 3 and double crochet into the stitch in the bottom part. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together. As you can see, I have done 2 rows. Let's complete row 2 together. This is very lacy mesh, so you can use it for any pattern. Pattern consists of only 1 row. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. For this, make chain of 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the chain space 1, 2, 3. Pull through strings. Pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 3 for the chain space and make double crochet into 2 loops. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row together again. Let's complete row 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Let's count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th chain stitch or the 1st chain stitch from the top. Make double treble crochet stitch. So my row is ready. Let's look at my small piece of the pattern. The length of your pattern you desire by yourself. So that's it. My small piece of pattern is done. It consists of only 3 stitches and has 1 row. So you don't need spend a lot of time on it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Let's look at my pattern. It consists of complex stitch, but I think it's not difficult to make because consists of double crochet, double treble crochet stitch and puff stitch. You can use this pattern for any project. For this one, you just need to grab the yarn and your favorite crochet hook, and of course takes over 20 minutes. But it depends on your skills and your time. Thank you so much for watching. Crochet with me and learn more. Bye! See you in the next video.